Hello everyone. Today we shall see how to deal with rows in a particular table. Here we have a set of rows from 1001 ID to 1020. Suppose that I want to insert a row in the table. I'll add a step and show you how to do that. I'll type table dot insert rows. I'll open the parenthesis. Here we have to provide table. I'll provide the table like a hash changer type because that is our previous step. I'll put a comma. Here suppose that I want to insert a row after the table. I'll insert the offset number as 20 because I want to insert after 20 rows. Rows as list. Suppose that whatever the row I wanted to provide, I have to provide in a list. I'll open curly braces. I'll open square brackets. I'll type column name id equal to 1021 comma name equal to Tom Lee and location equal to Newark, Newark. Okay, I have enclosed the row within curly braces and as a record. So please do remember to enclose it as a list. Table.insert rows, it will help us to insert a row after the offset of 20 rows. As I click here, you could see that one row has appended as 1021 Tom Lee and Newark. I'll show you how to even replace rows. Prior to that, let us see how to remove rows. I'll add a new step. Okay, this is another query. I'll add a new step. I'll type table dot remove rows. I'll open the parenthesis. Here in the table, I'll provide hash changer type because it is our previous step. In the offset number, suppose that I want to delete from 0. Okay, I'll provide 0, and then if I click here you could see that by default it will remove the first row, which is 1001. Suppose that offset is 1 1, what it could do is it will remove the second row because it will remove after one row. uh, for now I'll keep it as 0. Suppose that I want to remove the first 5 rows. I'll type the third parameter, which is count. I'll type 5 over there. I'll click here. It will start from 0. It will remove the 5 rows. So our table is from 1006 to 1020 for now. This is how we could use this remove rows function. Second parameter would be the offset. Third parameter would be the number of rows that we wanted to remove. Let us see how to replace rows. These are 5 sample rows which I have. I'll add a step. Suppose that I want to replace the third row with some other values. The third row has Tom Brown and Chicago is the location with ID 1003. I'll type table dot replace rows. I'll open the parenthesis. I'll give the table name, which is hash changer type, which is my previous step. I'll type a comma. Here offset as number, I have to provide the offset 2. Okay, because it is my like after 2 rows I am trying to replace. I'll put a comma. How many rows I wanted to replace? It is as count. I want to replace only one row, so I'll put 1. We have to provide the rows as list. Remember, as we provided in the insert rows. I'll type curly braces. Okay, I'll hit shift enter in order to take it into the next line. Here you could see it now our cursor is on the second line. I'll type square brackets id equal to 1003 comma. In the second position I want to give name. Instead of some Tom, I want to insert Brandon Lee. I'll put a comma. In location, okay, I could type normally location equal to suppose New Jersey. Okay, this is my replaced row, which is new row. I'll click over here. You could see the change as soon as I click the previous table. previously we have Tom Brown, Chicago. Now in the third row, you could see that there is Brandon Lee and New Jersey, which represents that our row is now replaced. Suppose that I want to replace two rows, I could change this third parameter to 2. And similarly in this list, what I could do, I will put a comma. Okay, I'll copy this row and make the changes. Okay, I'll do shift enter. It'll be moving on to the next row. Okay, and in the third row I'll put some space. I'll copy paste it. I'll change the IDs to 1004. I'll change some name to David. Okay, instead of Newark I'll write Los Angeles. I'll click over here. Here you could see that now 1004 is David, Los Angeles. In 105 we have David Lee, which is San Francisco. So this is how we could replace the rows by using table.replace rows. We have a set of values. Suppose that we want to reverse the order. Okay, we could quickly add a step. I'll type table.reverse rows. I'll open the parenthesis, give the table name, which is change type. I'll just click over here. Here you could see that now our ID has inverted from 10202 to 1001. The order has been changed from descending, like ascending to descending order. Let us move on to the other function, which is select rows. Here we have same table from the row 1001 to 1020. Let us add a step. I wanted to select the rows which has the ID greater than 1005. I'll type table dot select rows. I'll open the parenthesis. I'll provide table name, which is my change type. I'll put a comma. In the second parameter I have to provide a condition. I'll type each ID in the square brackets because it is a column greater than 1005. Okay, I'll click over here. Here you could see that all the rows which are greater than 1005 are now available within the table. This is how we use table.selectRows function by using the second condition in the parameter. Let us move on to the other function to remove the rows with errors. Here there is a table where we have some errors. Okay, we have some unnecessary values due to which while it was changing the data type, errors are encountered. Suppose that we want to remove the rows. I'll add a new step. Okay, I'll write a function table dot remove rows with errors. Okay, I'll open the parenthesis. As soon as I open the parenthesis, you could see that it will prompt us for a table. Okay, I'll provide the table similarly as changer type. I'll click over here. Here you could see that all the errors which were present, okay, they were removed. There were 4 errors in the previous step. Now they were removed in the next step by using this remove rows with errors function. Similarly, suppose that we want to filter only the rows which are containing the errors. If I want to keep only that errors, what we could do is I'll type table dot select rows with errors. I'll open the parenthesis. I'll type hash changer type and put a comma. Here in the second parameter, you could specify if you are searching for only particular columns. Otherwise, you could leave it. Okay, when you just select the table and use the function, here you could see that it will search all the columns wherever there are errors are present, and then it will make us a table and provide us. These are few functions which are quite handy to deal with rows. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and wish